Hi, welcome to Plot 13 and our second video. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep up to date with our content as it comes out. We aim to release a new video every Friday. We are beginners to both YouTube and to having an allotment plot, so we apologise for the quality of these early videos. As we learn, they will improve. Due to strange weather and spending time with the boys during the Easter school holidays, we didn't spend a huge amount of time on the allotment this week. We are still in the clearing phase. As you can see in the pictures of the backpack weed sprayer and how far the ash has gone through it, things haven't been touched for quite a while. We are enjoying clearing the plot and, as the teenager calls it, discovering treasures. More about some of those in the coming weeks. We aim to clear the ground rubbish first before tackling the content of the two rear sheds. Once all of the ground rubbish has been cleared, we can use a petrol brush cutter to clear the majority of the brambles and weeds. Our target at the moment is to get all of the rubbish to the front section of the plot. This will make it easier to sift through and deal with. We will be ordering a skip to take most of the general waste away. The scrap metal dealer should hopefully take most of the rusty metal. We are not allowed fires on site, so most of the green waste and some of the wood waste will be composted for use over the coming years. Future plans. The clubhouse will be getting a makeover and eventually power in the form of solar and wind. What we think was a wood store in the top corner will be removed. We plan to replace this with a raised pond and solar powered waterfall, turning it into a wildlife and nature area. The tin roof shed we hope to salvage and repair, making it into a tool store. The plastic potting shed currently looks unsalvageable, so that will need further assessment once we clear it. The back of the clubhouse will become Rue's play area. There has been mention by the teenager of building some type of treehouse or platform there too. The front of the clubhouse and up towards the potting shed will become a flower garden and outdoor seating area. The very front of the plot also needs work, so once all the rubbish is gone, we can start on that. It's a big task, and it will take time to slowly get the plot to a good state. We don't want to rush it, and we are looking forward to the journey ahead. A huge thank you goes out to Gary Hackett for our first donation. He's an amazing knife and tool maker, so I'll drop a link to his social media below for you to check out. We would love to hear some suggestions in the comments below on where to place things and on what we should consider. Thank you for watching, and please share, like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Also, check out the link to our Ko-fi page below.